Okay guys, so to take advantage of the 12-module video course, all you need to do is go to whattosellonamazon.com or onlineinternetprofits.com. Once you get to that page, all you need to do is enter a valid email address. From there, you'll get a page that advises you that you need to verify your email account. We need to make sure that that's valid so that we can get that valuable information out to you. And once you do that, you'll have access to the page where you can actually create your account to include your username and password. From there, you'll have access to the portal. And while in the portal, you can watch all of the training videos, and you'll also see where you can see the free leads whenever we get them out. And that's all there is to it, guys. So go out there, get signed up. It's so easy. In fact, the links to get there, you'll probably find in the description of many of the videos. You won't even have to type anything. You can either click the video link that's in the description or just copy and paste. Go out there, get that free training, guys. It's there for you for a limited time. Thanks.